I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the Crosse Technologies weather station. So this is a really neat little digital weather station that you can set up on your countertop or anywhere in your house, and it's going to give you the weather data for your local area. And it's not just connecting to the internet to do that; it actually has its own sensors. So it's going to tell you exactly what the conditions are like right around your own house. And so the first thing you've got is the indoor side here. And you can see we've got temperature, we've got humidity. It's going to tell us whether it's good, dry, or humid. I'm pretty good right now. And then it'll tell us the trend of the temperature. It's holding about steady, but if it's getting colder, we'll see a down arrow. If it's getting hotter, we'll see an up arrow. I don't know what this off means here exactly, but it does seem to be working properly, so I'm not sure what that is. But otherwise, pretty easy to understand, a little display on the side there. Now for the outdoor piece, this is where it gets really cool because this comes with an outside temperature sensor. And here's that sensor. You can see it's just a little unit, and you can place anywhere out in your yard. It's best to put it in the shade, otherwise the sun can make it seem hotter than it actually is. And it's got a temperature and humidity sensor built into this, and it's powered by some batteries you put in there, and it's actually going to transmit that data back to the weather station. So I can see on here wirelessly the exact temperature in my backyard, and again that indoor temperature. And that's super useful because it lets you know, well, should I open a window? If I wanted to be cooler in the house, I could open a window right now, but hey, the temperature's trending upwards, I'll probably have to close it later. You can get these useful pieces of information about that. How am I going to dress for the day? That type of thing. And the outdoor humidity level on that as well. So great to have this nice big graphical display to see both of those pieces of data. The other thing that it's got is the ability to do barometric pressure, and that lets it actually do this little graphical forecast. Is it going to be windy? Is it going to be sunny? Overcast. Right now it's predicting overcast, and it'll predict rain as well based on temperature trends and the barometric pressure changes. Now it's the rainy season, or it's actually, sorry, the dry season in California right now. So we're not going to see any rain for a while probably, and it's accurately failed to predict rain, which I think is good. If it was saying it was going to rain during the dry season, that would be concerning. So far it said nope, no rain, and that's been true. When we get into the rainy season, it'll start to see when those rainstorms are coming. We'll see these little raindrop icons there illuminate. So nice to have that forecast ability. The final thing I like about this is that it does have a built-in connection to the atomic clock signal, so it'll set its clock accurately. You just have to set the time zone and the date, and it's nice to just have that date and time displayed right there on the front here. There's some other things we can do. We can switch on and off the backlight, like if you wanted to have this in a bedroom, for example. You can set other kinds of alerts and that type of thing. But really the best thing I think is just being able to take a glance at this nice big graphical, colorful display and see, okay, here's the outside temperature, inside temperature. How am I going to dress? Should I open a window, close a window? Am I likely to get rain today? Again, all based on the local temperature and pressure and everything right in your house. So I love this weather station. I've been using it for about a month now, and I think this works great.